Hello, and welcome to Popsicle Stick Crafts with Miss Jessica. I'm so excited that you tuned in. Today, we're doing something just for Dad. You'll need 5 things I love about Dad: construction paper, popsicle sticks, colorful markers, and glue. You're going to take your 5 things I love about Dad and put what 5 things you love about your dad. After that step is complete, you're going to take your black construction paper and your 5 things I love about Dad and glue it together, just like so. Now we're going to grab our popsicle sticks and we're going to glue those to the corners of the black paper, just like this. Now we're going to roll it together and look how cool that is. Then we're going to add a piece of string just to keep it all together. And on Father's Day, hand it to Dad just like so. And he's going to open it and see all the reasons why he loves you. Happy Father's Day! If you want to see me make something out of popsicle sticks, email me with your idea at jjohnson@mcls.ms. You may see your idea in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!